Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Taboola for SEO-friendly content discovery, detailed guide step by step clearly. To register with Taboola for SEO-friendly content discovery, start by visiting the Taboola website. Once on the home page, locate the Sign Up button, usually found in the upper right corner. Click the Sign Up button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to use a professional email associated with your business or brand. After entering your email, create a strong password that meets the platform's requirements. Confirm your password by entering it again in the designated field. Upon completing these steps, you may need to agree to the terms and conditions. Read the terms carefully before checking the acceptance box. Once you have accepted the terms, click the Create Account or equivalent button. Next, check your email for a verification message from Taboola. Open the email and click the verification link provided. This action will redirect you back to the Taboola website. Now, log in using the email and password you just created. After logging in, you will be prompted to set up your profile. Fill in the required information, including your company name and website URL. Make sure your website URL is SEO-friendly and relevant to your content. You may also need to provide additional details such as your industry and target audience. Once your profile is complete, save your changes. Next, navigate to the dashboard, where you'll find various options for managing content and advertising. Look for the section that allows you to create and manage campaigns. Select Create Campaign to start promoting your content. At this stage, you can choose your content format and target strategies. Fill in the necessary fields with SEO-optimized headlines and descriptions. Keep in mind the importance of engaging visuals to catch viewer attention. After entering all relevant information, review your campaign settings. Once you're satisfied, click Submit or Launch to activate your campaign. Your Taboola account is now set up for SEO-friendly content discovery. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.